Squad, what's up? This is your girl Dalu. Welcome back for another video. Guys, we all know the kitchen is the heart of the house, right? When we home, we spend a lot of time in the kitchen. When we have family members or friends come over, they spend a lot of time in the kitchen. I don't know about you, but it's like that. Everybody who comes to my house, for some reason, they always hang out in the kitchen area. Therefore, we need to pay special attention to our kitchen. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you 5 simple things that you can do to make sure your kitchen is looking glam, beautiful, expensive at all times. I'm sure you have heard many of these things before, but we all need a little bit of reminder from time to time, right? So with your permission, I'm going to remind you. But before I get started, let me take a moment to welcome all of you who are here for the first time. I upload glam home decor and DIY videos. If you are into these things, please hit your subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so you can get notified as soon as I upload a new video. Okay, and to all of you, my fellow Glam Squad, thanks so much for stopping by. I love you all. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started with number 1. Guys, the first thing that I'm going to talk about are the small appliances and the pots that we use on a daily basis. Many times we get rid of the dirty dishes, but we leave the cooking pots and the small appliances on the countertop. Although they are very useful, but if we want our kitchen to be looking glam, expensive, clutter-free, and staged at all times, we need to create a special spot for them. Get rid of the clutter on the countertop will make cleaning time a lot easier and faster. In any room, lighting is very important. That is no exception for the kitchen. Whether we want to have some beautiful glam pendant lights on top of the island or some beautiful recessed light, nothing beats a bright and airy kitchen. But guys, we don't have to break the bank. Now on Amazon, you can find some very beautiful and functional lights for your home at affordable price. I'm gonna show you how I install this strip light that was sent to me. They are from Amazon by this company named Vant. You can install them anywhere in your house, but for the purpose of this video, I'm gonna install them in my kitchen. It is an LED light, but it came with everything necessary to do the install. The strip has a double-sided tape that I'm going to attach right under my kitchen cabinet. Of course, the hubby is taking a lead on that. If you are going to install the light, remember to use the alcohol pad that came with the kit to clean the area. This is the controller for the light to turn it on, to change the color and make it brighter. The back has a 3M tape. I'm gonna tuck it in under the cabinet, along with the rest of the wires. Now, because we are talking about glam kitchen, we don't want any electrical cord showing. We can cover it up with a flower or any other decorative pieces of choice. And voila! The light is smart. You can pair it up with Google Voice, or you can control it on your phone using the Bluetooth capability. As you can see, the light has so many color options, over 16 million color options, and it can sync in with the music to create the perfect mood and ambience for your home. I'm showing you guys the other side that has no lighting, just so you can see the difference. I'm gonna leave the link for the light in the description box. I think it is super cool. You guys can check it out. Just like everything in your house must have a home, so do the items in your kitchen or on your countertop. This will prevent the kitchen from looking cluttered And when it's time to put things away, it will be easier and faster. For example, I divide my countertop into 4 categories. By the stove, that's where I would call my cooking area. On each side of the stove, I keep my spices, my oil, and my cooking utensils. Over here in this corner, I have my coffee station. By the sink area, I have my cleaning station. This is where I would keep my soap, my hand lotion. Last but not least, the last section is what I would call my decorative area. This is where I keep my electronics, any decorative items that I would like to display on my countertop. When decorating your countertop, you can use items that you're already using in your kitchen to make a statement. Things like a beautiful knife set, cutting boards are always a great ones to utilize, or a beautiful bowl to display some of your favorite fruits. While the kitchen is the heart of the house, the island is the heart of the kitchen, so you have to make a statement. I'm gonna say go bold or go home. I like to use super glam vases because my style is glam, candles, and beautiful tray on my island. And of course, beautiful floral arrangement. When it comes to the kitchen, don't be afraid of stepping out of your comfort zone. You may actually like it. The bonus tip that I have for you is to come up with a cleaning routine for your kitchen. And part of that cleaning routine is to run your dishwasher during the day instead of doing it at night. For a video on what I do to keep my kitchen clean, please type up clean in the comment section below. So you guys, these were the 5 things that I thought anybody should be doing in the kitchen to make sure the kitchen is staying glam, fabulous at all times. If you are in agreement with me, please put a comment below, let me know. And also let me know which tips was your favorite or which one you are going to implement. Put it down in the comment below. Remember to check out the light from Vod. The link is in the description box. Also check out the links to see some of the products that I'm using in my kitchen that are from Amazon as well. Thanks to all of you for stopping by today. It's always a pleasure to be with you. Also, hit your subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so I can see you on the next one. I love you always. Bye. Mwah.